I got a news flash for you on January 27th, 2026. And here it is. Yes, you can reuse email addresses for LinkedIn accounts. Let me explain that to you and tell you the prerequisites that you have to fulfill in order to do that. But before I do, if you like this content, if it's useful to you in any way, if you want more, do me a favor, do yourself a favor, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Heck, hit the don't like if you don't like it, and comment and let me know if you liked it, if it's useful or not. Here's the prerequisites. You can use an existing email address that's associated with a LinkedIn account, but only if you do one of two things. Number one, you got to go to settings and privacy. You got to go to sign-in security. You got to go to email addresses, and you have to remove that email address from an existing LinkedIn account, which, by the way, means you have access to that account. And does not apply if LinkedIn closed the account. Number two, or you go to accounts preferences and you close and delete the account. But you can't close and delete an account if you have an ongoing premium subscription, you owe LinkedIn money for anything, or if you're managing a group, managing a company page, or managing an event. You got to get out of those, get past those situations before you can close and delete an account. And once you close that account, and the same thing for removing the email address from an account, you have to wait 2 weeks, about 2 weeks for the system to recognize that that email address is no longer associated with an ongoing LinkedIn account. So bottom line, yes, you can use an email address associated with a current account on LinkedIn with a new account, as long as you do one of those two things, either remove the email address or close the account. I'm Teddy. I'm all about LinkedIn and helping people get value from it. I hope this is useful to you or someone that you know.